This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Dina Grandi. Bright and open, move-in ready, low maintenance, one-level living condo at the end of the street. Beautiful wood floors in your formal living room with adjacent flex space and fireplace. Open concept kitchen, eating area and family room. Cozy up by the fireplace or exit through the patio door to a nice backyard with patio great for entertaining. The spacious primary bedroom with high ceilings has a nice walk-in closet, primary bath with double sinks, jetted tub and walk-in shower. This home has a 2-car attached garage, 2-car driveway and parking spaces directly across the street. Newer fridge, stove and HVAC system within 5 years. Enjoy the resort-like amenities of Eagle Harbor and mini golf, big pool, water park, playground, volleyball court, bike paths, or mingle at the clubhouse during events.